Hi guys, if you're working on Tesla Model 3 or thinking about getting one from an auction with blown airbags, you want to watch this video. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Roman and I'm working on 2018 Tesla Model 3. If you haven't seen any of my previous videos, after you watch this video, please go check out my other videos. You will pretty much see the whole process of rebuilding this car. Whenever you have airbags deployed or any of SRS system components deployed, like seat belt or any of the airbags, you will pretty much have your fuse, Pyro Fuse, blown. So in this video, we're gonna change this fuse. Before you start this job, you wanna make sure that you have a right tool. This set right here is called Torx Plus socket set. It's a special 5-point star socket Torx set. So make sure you get one of these before you start this job. So you're also gonna need a regular 6-point, which is much more popular, and you can buy it anywhere in regular stores or online. You're also gonna need one of these sockets. First thing first, you wanna make sure that your battery is, your regular auxiliary or small battery is disconnected and the car has been sitting for a while. Then wear some sort of gloves when you get to actual fuse. Logically, as far as I know, there shouldn't be any connection between the high voltage and 12 voltage system of this car. But just to be safe, you know, because I'm gonna have to use an extension and I'm gonna have to get really close to the body of the car. And I'm actually gonna put electrical tape on extension as well. So just be on the safe side, you know, make sure you're protected. So let's get to it. I don't know about you, but it's too dark for me. You know, surprisingly, it came right off. It's supposed to have a dab of glue on that side. Okay guys, so I'm gonna use a couple of these, and like I mentioned earlier, I'm gonna use an electrical tape. I'm gonna wrap electrical tape around my extension, so just in case if I touch the body of the battery or body of the car, just want to be safe. So 80 inch-pounds. Now I'm just gonna put the cover back on and put all these pieces on, and watch till the end, guys. I'm gonna let you know where I got one of these. Okay guys, we're all done. As you could see, it wasn't that hard. So I bought this one from Tesla dealer. I'm not sure by the time you're going to be watching this video, I'm not sure if they're going to be available to public or not, but check with your local dealer. It cost me $17 to get one of these, and it was actually about $150 on the eBay from some third-party seller. So they're much cheaper from a dealer, but I'm not sure if they're going to be available to everyone or not. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, hit that bell notification so you don't miss any future videos, and I'll see you in the next one.